Okay, let's dive into the tip number 1. First, we draw. The first tip is grid into guides. Let's draw a square here, and we split this square into grids. We split this square into grids. Let's path and split into a grid. We can make any number of rows and any number of columns as we want. Not only that, we can change height, cutter, everything we want. After this grid, we can change this grid into guides, so we can design any kind of logo easily. That's it. Okay, let's move into tip number 2, changing corner shapes. First, we are taking here rectangle and make its corner rounded. Okay, makes its corner rounded. Now, to change its corner shape, we first press Alt in Windows and Option key in Mac. And we're gonna click here, then it changes to inverted round. If we press it again here, then it changes into camper. We can change it accordingly as per your wish and as for the design requirement. That's it. Okay, let's dive into the tip number 3, and it is new window. We're gonna take new window here and split into tile so that we can get full preview here. We will get full preview here and we're gonna work here. Look, we're gonna change here and we see the difference there. We're gonna see the difference there. And if we click Ctrl H, and we will see full anchor points there. But if we click Ctrl H on Windows and Command H on Mac, then it will hide the anchor points. It only shows while we're working, and when we stop, it automatically hides the anchor points. That's it. Let's dive into tip number 4, unaligned corners. First, if we have problem aligning corners like this, then I have a powerful tip for it. Okay, first for the tip, we're gonna choose direct selection tool. Choose these anchor points. Go to object, path, average, and we're gonna select both and hit OK. Now look, the problem has been solved. It's the easiest way. Okay, let's dive into tip number 5, and it is our default font setting. Let's check our as a default. We have a font called Myriad. But if we want to change the default font to any other else, then we're gonna do this. We go to Window, scroll down to Type, Character Styles, and we're gonna select here Character Style Options. After that, basic character formats, and we're gonna change the font here. I mostly use Architecture, so I'm gonna choose it. Architecture. Where it is? Look, it's here. We're gonna choose it medium. and we're gonna change kerning into optical, and that's it, and we are done. Now let's check if it works or not. Let's do a quick check. Yes, we're gonna change it default font to the what we just set now.